Hi, good morning everybody. While Philip harvesting the beans there, I wanna take a video quick here for the guys. Good morning, Dorax.
Hi, morning. Hi. Good afternoon.
Good morning, oy.
Good morning, guys.
Bunta pag-iral. Excuse me. I wanna take a video here because we have I wanna sold our piglets here. The last litter piglet because we can't almost afford the food now. Hey, in fact, we still have 3 left piglet. I'll just give even sold for not pricey. Oo. Pagiwa lagi na butangig. Rice holes. So here is the two guys here. You wanna pick up my piglets here? That's a good size. Ay, dubliho na dong. Isa-isa, uy. Isa-isa ba kaya dako kay na. Yeah, I'm selling 2 piglets. Thank you, dong. Bye-bye. Thank you for buying my piglet. This is our neighbor here. Oo. Bye. Amping.